Hey guys, here is a new Windows terminal which is under beta testing mode. So here is the window. As you can see, here is the PowerShell and CMD where you can use all the terminal together in same window. So right now it is under beta testing mode. They have not add yet Ubuntu and other operating system. So they will add as soon as possible. So if you want to install this terminal on your Windows 10 computer, then just go to your start menu and after that type over there store. Then open the Microsoft Store, and after that on the right side corner on the search option you have to search here Windows terminal, and after that you have to open this Windows 10 terminal preview version as you can see. So click on this install button and if you get this window, so if you have a Microsoft account you can log in or you can close this one. As you can see, downloading is started, so you have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, download is completed successfully. So now you have to click on this launch button, and if you want to use a CMD on the same window, then you have to click on this option, and as you can see CMD, and also I have getting a Azure Cloud Shell. As you can see, they have added a new option over there. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.